Sorry friends, my alarm went off and I had to do part 2, so here's part 2. Just as exciting. Alright, let's go back to this. It says, so 6 can't go into 14, or 6 can go into 14. How many times? 6, 12, 18. Oh, too far. So 2 times, and the 2 goes above the 4 because it's not going into the 1, it's going into the 14. Alright, so we divided. Now let's multiply. 6 times 2 is 12. Then we subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then we bring down. All right, then we repeat the process like in our dance. So we divide. 6 goes into 24. 6, 12, 18, 24. Perfectly. 4 times. That 6 times that 4 was 24. Then we subtract. 24 minus 24 is 0. There is nothing left to bring down. So each of my photo albums of my really cool selfies will have 24 photos. I should write photos. Cool beans. Awesome. All right. Let's try again. Let's try another problem. Remember, everything we're learning. Now we have 3 numbers instead of 2, so sometimes they get a little bit trickier. All right. Just remember Dead Monkey Smell Bad or My Sweet Dance. Example number 1. All right. We're going to do 287 divided by 2. All right. Hang on, guys. I'm going to turn my sweet light up jacket. Oh, look, it changes modes, though. Now it's really fast. Okay. Now it's off. All right. Let's do it. First step is divide. So we look at our 2. Can 2 go into 2? Yeah. It goes in just once. Then multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. Then we subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then we bring down. And then we repeat the process. All right, let's slow down. So, dead, 2 goes into 8, divide, how many times? 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 times. Monkeys, 4 times 2, multiply, would be 8. Smell, subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. Last step, bring down. See, this is why it's called long division. It just is going to keep getting longer. The more numbers we have, it just gets longer and longer. Crazy. All right. Then we repeat the process a 3rd time. Can you believe it? So now we do 2 goes into 7. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, too far. So 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. We subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. And there's nothing to bring down, so that 1 becomes our remainder. So 287 divided by 2 is 143. Remainder 1. Awesome. Okay, let's do another problem. We got this. All right. Example number 2. This will be our last one before our pause problem. If we have 452 divided by 4. Let's do it. Divide. So 4 goes into 4 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. Then we subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next step, bring down. Awesome. Start the process over. Repeat. D. 4 goes into 5. 4, 8. Too high? 1. Just once. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down. Repeat the process. Remember, you can slow down if you need. All right, 4 goes into 12. How many times? 4, 8, 12. 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. All right, on this one, 452 divided by 4 is 113. No remainder. Lucky you. All right, we are moving on to your pause problem. All right, pause problem number 1. Here we go. You got this. If we had, let me flip over my notes. 116. Oh, sorry, 166, my bad. 166 divided by 4. Okay, give it a try. You got this. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down. All right, I'm going to keep going. All right, 4 goes into 1. Well, it can't, so we go to the next number. 4 goes into 16. 4, 8, 12, 16, 4 times. And we know 4 times 4 is 16. Then we subtract. 16 minus 16 is 0. And then we bring down 6. All right? 4 goes into 6 how many times? 4, 8, oh, too many. So just once. 4 times 1 is 4. Then we subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. Nothing to bring down, so we have a remainder 2. 41, remainder 2. As simple as that. All right, hopefully you got it right. Let's do one more pause problem. All right, last one of the day. Pause problem number 2. If we had 775 divided by 5. Go for it. You got it. You got it. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Start in the ones. 5 can go into 7, 5, 10. Oh, too big. So back one, just once. 5 times 1 is 5. Then we subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2, and then I bring down. Then I repeat the whole process. Okay, 5 goes into 27 how many times? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, too many. So go back one to 5. All right, 5 times 5 is 25. Then I subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down. All right, then we repeat the process. 5 goes into 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Ooh, perfectly. 5 times, and 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, that is 0. So no remainder on this one. 775 divided by 5 is 155. All right, hopefully some of that stuck. If not, I'm here to support you. Bye, friends.